To replace the bearing on your wheel, you'll need a flathead screwdriver and a hammer. Rest your screwdriver on the bottom bearing and use your hammer to pop it out. Once the bearing is out, rest the wheel at an angle to remove the second bearing. Locate your new bearings and rest them over the hole using the hammer to hammer them in. Repeat this on the second bearing, and that completes one wheel with new bearings. Repeat this process on your second wheel.